Yan, outfit check muna tayo dyan, guys. Good morning. Day 3. Nalakad tayo papunta sa lobby, guys. 8:20 actually yung call time eh. Late na tayo ng 2 minutes. 8:30 pa naman naalis. Tingnan naman. Ganda ng weather. At mga lakad muna. Siya, gutom na ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung makakain pa kami na ito. Musa doon, no?
Hello there.
Tulog. Matawag na sila, Robin. Oh, manis. Nakita ko yung call mo eh. Good morning. Good morning. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Kanyari. Morning, good morning. Ano yan?
Baon ko sunscreen.
Sana all. Yung kulay ko guys. May team na din ako. Morning!
Sunshine! Wake up pa pala.
Buhay pa ako.
Ayan!
Grabe naman kayo sa akin.
Grabe, malakas.
Natulog lang ako eh.
Kakatuin ka sana namin kaso may nakadonat list eh.
Sarap na tulog ko eh.
Hindi pa naririnig niya tayo.
Kailan?
Kahagabi.
Honey, did you find your glasses?
No.
That's expensive, man. How much was it?
Lost my Gucci.
Do you know what we're doing today?
We're going on a city tour and then I think tequila shots.
Tequila shots. I don't drink that. Isa lang ba? Kasya kaya kami dito? Ang dami naman eh. Oh, shit! Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
I'm a vlogger. May shoot kami mamaya.
Ayoko nga. Kasya kaya tayo dyan? Ogi. Ogi mo today.
I woke up like this.
Aray ko.
Like this.
Welcome.
Okay. Alright guys, first stop. Kakain daw muna. Anong kakainin dito? Taco. Taco daw.
Taco? Yung pang billiard?
Oo.
Hola! We're about to eat! Uwi na, wala nang tao.
Aray ko.
Alright guys, first stop. We're gonna eat some tacos. Authentic tacos from Mexico, Cancun. Andito na guys yung mga tacos na sa akin wala pa. So what's this?
Fish and beef.
Fish and beef. Oh, ito na yung sa akin eh. 2 beef, 1 fish.
Yeah, there you go.
That's nice. Right here.
Yeah.
2 beef, 1 fish, guys. Let's try this. Then, avocado on each. Ano to? And dito. Tapos ito naman. Alright, let's try beef. Beef first. Cheers.
Nice.
Let's try this. Let's try that. Try this on the fish. Chipotle. Alright. Sarap. Fish is actually good. Right? Yeah. Let's not waste this. What's that? Oh wow. Rate it 1 to 10. 8? I'll give it an 8 too.
The sauce made it taste better.
That's the most authentic tacos I've had in a while. But yeah, that was good, guys. Trying out some more tacos later. 2 other places, right? Yeah. 2 more places of tacos. Let's see which one is the best. Wala pa? Sorry guys, tapos na kami. Paalis na kami soon. Wala pa rin sila guys. Guys, asarap.
Aray ko.
Next stop, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta pero it's gonna be a city tour.
Hola, welcome guys.
Hola. Uy. Ano meron dito?
Nasa huling row.
Good student yung nasa harap. Tequila shot daw. Paano yan pag di ako may inom?
Aray ko.
Pwede tubig lagay dito.
Ikaw masyadong pili kayo hindi ka inom.
Grabe naman siya. Ay, good boy ako.
Welcome everybody, my name is Sir. We have the real tequila and we have the Mexican gasolina. Yes. Well, first of all, who likes tequila?
Not me.
90% of the people never tried the real tequila, and that's a fact.
Ano, excited na to. Oy, 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 sayo. Thank you. Disappointed po. Kala nyo the full shot. Here we go again, Jin Lee.
Salud.
Salute. 3 to 5 seconds daw. Try natin.
Aray ko.
Okay, now for the people who likes tequila,
Damn.
you know the difference right now, right? Of course, you drink something that has more.
Since you're the master of tequila, how was it?
And we want this flavor from the blue agave and
Tinry
it's
mo
made
ba?
with blue agave.
Bakit?
Commercial tequila,
Yan, konti lang. So ano to, bossing?
Ihilang rako.
where do you live? Canada only has like 3 brands of tequila. Now I understand. Yes, and they are terrible. Yes, yes I know. 2 seats, okay? Salud. Are you better? No, ¿Por qué? Porque vamos a seguir luego sabores.
Aray ko.
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga para sa akin yung pag-iinom, guys.
This is the best coffee in the world.
Thank you.
Madami siya.
Real coffee daw, guys. Smells so good. Alam niyo yung smell ng kopi ko, pero mas masarap pa dun. Mas
These kind of products you
Mabango
cannot
pa yun.
buy it
Kopi ko
outside
candy, ah.
Mexico. Those are handcrafted and there is no sugar on the product. We use agave honey,
can I have more?
with sugar, right?
Mas good.
So,
Ang tamis niya, guys. Para talagang
it's
kopi
coconut
ko.
tequila.
Candy na melted.
You can make piñas coladas.
Sarap niya. Last one? Oh, wow. Ito na yung last tequila nila, guys. Ang sarap ng coffee. Bibili ako nun. Uwi ko yun sa Canada. Ano eh, sobrang sarap. Parang first time ko makatagal mag ganun, sobrang sarap. Salute! Ito daw yung pinaka-smooth nila na tequila. Guys, so, tingnan natin.
Coco.
Hindi siya masakit. Hindi ako napangiwi. Maybe, kasi may mix ng ano, kasi may mix na siya ng ano, ng coffee.
This is a flower called Damiana. Damiana only grows here. And when the people start to drink this, they start to get kinky. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yes.
Ay, excited na siya, oh. Mukhang excited to, guys.
It's like a Mexican Viagra, but no prescription.
Ay, gagi.
So everybody say, arriba,
Arriba!
abajo,
Mabaho?
al centro,
El centro!
y cuchi-cuchi pa dentro.
Gucci!
Of course, you don't gonna find it in your hotel for sure. And pretty much the tequila that you've been drinking all around it is not
Wala lasa.
tequila.
Gucci.
69, 69.
Uy! Sabi ko 69! Oh, we can only get 2 liters. 2 bottles lang. Kaya 2 kape na lang kunin ko. So, 2 ganito yung bibili natin, guys. Sarap ng coffee, guys. Like, legit, ang tamis. Okay, guys. Second stop. Di ko alam kung saan kami pumunta, pero maglalakad daw. Init. Ito nyo naman.
Aray ko.
Na natin. Tingin tayo dito. Yan. Parang Pinas lang talaga. Mas na ninja.
So this is the cheaper place for buy souvenirs. It's more cheaper than Cancun or Playa del.
Yun daw pinakamura na bilihan ng mga souvenir. Joy Art. Mga ano, bling bling.
Different souvenirs from around the
Gusto mag.
Oh, you're a blogger.
Manuel, you don't know? He's a famous vlogger.
No, I'm not. I am not. Baluto.
Ano daw? Ano tayo?
She's kidding.
Manuel, you don't know? Famous vlogger from Canada.
Tumawad kayo. May tawad pa yan. Ito, chessboard. Uy, tabako, bre. Legit kaya to. 10 USD each?
Yeah, 200.
Budol ba, bossing? Budol. Budol to, no?
Business yan eh.
Business.
Pag alam nilang hindi ka taga rito, bubuloy.
Oh.
Aray ko.
Budol ka din pala.
Mapamamura na lang yung tindera eh.
Gusto mo mura? Putang ina mo.
Free parking.
Oh, try natin to. Tanungin natin to. Kanina, ano yun eh? Sabi niya $10 daw. How much this one?
400 pesos.
400!
Aray ko.
How's that in USD?
Around like 20.
Pwede. Ay! Ay! Gusto ko yan.
Gusto mo yan? May alak din yata eh.
Ay! Ayoko yan.
Let me show you the obsidian. The obsidian is a volcanic rock. It's very heavy.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Can I
So
try
I
it?
have different colors in each piece. That color
It's not
is
heavy.
green, change
Good for
like a gold.
working out.
Armor.
Ano yung ano? Ano yung mga yan?
Yun nga eh, bakit ka? Torture device yung sabi.
Ganda oh. There's the pork. How about for you?
Got chicken, bro.
Chicken. Oh yeah, looks good. Second store, and we got pork this time. Ooh. Parang gusto ko ng guac. Okay, let's try it. Mmm.
Good?
Good. Nice. Mmm. Wow.
I like the wok guacamole.
That was so good, guys.
Rate it.
I think this is way better than
Way better?
the other one earlier, but it's just a small. It's smaller, right? I wish it was the same size, but I would give it a 9. Nice. I want a bigger one.
One more or no?
It's lime, but
One more? or
hindi siya
no?
maasim. Matamis siya. Next stop will be
Stop. Ice cream, boss.
ice cream, bossing.
Init na yung ulo ko eh. Bossing!
Oh, ayan. Ano to? Ano to? Ang lagi mo. Ay, kala ko puwet lang. Ba't merong ano? Ice cream! Ice cream! Aldos! Ayun, kay Aldos. Aldo, it's your name. I'm popular.
Aldo, do you own that store?
Ito kasi pangalan niya Aldo. Eh yung ice cream shop, Aldo. Andun. Why are you very famous, Aldo?
Very famous. And everybody knows me.
Everybody knows you here. Dang. Aldo si Aldo. Sorry guys, mainit. Ako lang to. Oh, putong ina! Gago ka! Wag, gago ba? That's different! That's different! That's different! Bad trip. Nakabawi! Nakabawi! Panmae. One each chocolate. Ano yan? Wow! Coconut. We're just waiting for our turn, guys. Uy, ang dami. Ang dami palang choices. Anong kunin mo, Macy?
Kung alam ko ano
Flavor?
I got the mango one.
Mango. And this one? Alright guys, ito yung mga flavor. Dami. Kaya ang dami. Siguro magpe-Ferrero tayo guys. Mga masarap yung Ferrero. Big Ferrero for me. Cone. Oh yeah. Thank you. Ferrero. That's right. Nice. Ferrero nga. Sarap. Sarap siya guys. Do you like Ferrero?
Yeah, is that Ferrero?
It's Ferrero, yeah.
So good.
It's the same.
You're
Okay.
gonna see a stingray right there.
We're gonna see stingrays? Oh, what else we're gonna see, Aldo?
Barracudas.
Barracudas? Ooh. Oh, you got one too? What did you get?
Ferrero.
Ferrero. Nice. Me too. Except ko kayo dito, guys. Ganda ng beach. Solid oh. Here we are. Are we gonna go swimming? No swimming today? Not today? Sarap, guys. Oh, it's a stingray. Oh yeah. It's big. Hanap pa tayo mas malapit. Laki niya. Hindi masyado mainit guys, presko. Ganda dito. Actually, yung phone ko na low bat. Hindi ko maano yung mic. Wow!
Uy, sana all!
Look to her, look to him.
Sana all!
Init! Init ba? Init. Ako lang to, boss. Nandun yung karamihan ng nagsuswimming guys. Nandyan sila. Na guys, may itim na tayo. Okay lang. Isang winter lang. Babalik tayo sa medyo ma-brown-brown.
So, but the view is also gonna be in front.
Thank you, Aldo.
We survive.
You have Facebook, Aldo?
Yes.
Although you're gonna give me your Instagram.
Yes.
Instagram too?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're very social. Alright guys, last spot dito sa kung saan man. Nung una, it was fish and beef, right? And then the second one was pork. And now this is fish. Parang ano daw, lasang tuna daw guys. Alright, that's right. Mmm.
Diba?
Mmm.
Pagtuna. Sponsored. Baka naman.
So malalasa mo agad yung lansa niya. Sarap guys. Mmm.
Can I get Diet Coke?
Medyo. Thank you.
And we just pay there, right? We just...
Mm. Cheers.
Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers!
Wala ko namang umiinom.
Rate it 1 to 10.
I'd rate it 8.5.
So which one is the best? The first, second, or third?
For me, it's yung first one.
For me, the best one was the second one with the pork. It's really good. How about you?
I got the fish taco.
Rate it 1 to 10.
7.
Which one's the best one out among the three?
The pork from the second
The
one.
second one. Right?
Wow.
That was the best.
That was the best.
Guys,
Napansin lang ako, nakapere ng Mexican peso. Kala ko si Diwata. Diwata, dito ka na pala. Alright guys, yun na yung sakyan namin guys, yung service. Pipick up pa pala namin, binili namin kanina yung coffee. How were the tacos, Aliyah?
Good.
Good?
So good.
Which one was the best?
Dona.
Ito guys, binili natin. Make sure lang daw natin na tama. Ayan, coffee. Kita ba? Nakita. Basta coffee yan. Parang Pilipinas lang eh. Oh. Plastic lang eh. Bye Aldo, thank you! Thank you guys! Alright, we're back at the resort guys. So malapit lang naman yan guys yung downtown kung saan kami nagpunta. Siguro maligo muna ako tapos matulog pagkabalik ko sa kwarto. Anong plano na? Anong oras yung party? 10 pa, di ba? 9.